name is Adam Wilder. I work for a company called Radio Design and we're based in Saltaire, Shipley, West Yorkshire.
I'm Louise, I'm Principal Filter Engineer at Radio Design and we are based in Shipley.
Radio Design is a Yorkshire-based RF and microwave solutions provider. We provide market-leading innovations to the defence, aerospace and telecommunications sectors. Radio Design started in 2007. We are based in Shipley in West Yorkshire. We have this facility here, which is our head office, which contains our engineering teams. We have a low volume production facility based here, where we handle our more higher value products that demand very significant engineering expertise very close by. Further down the road in Salts Mill, we have a higher volume facility that allows us to produce products at a high volume. And they are more generally telecoms products or auxiliary products. We also have a facility in India. So we've got an 80,000 square foot facility in India where we currently manufacture all our telecommunications equipment. So that's all the RF signal conditioning equipment, and that's all products that are running at high volume.
So I am involved in designing the product right from the concept through to putting it into production.
I'm a principal engineer and I specialise in RF and microwave design. My current focus is on managing business development into the defence and aerospace industries. In my current role, I see the space sector as an increasingly important market and one that we want to be at the forefront of. And so I am actively seeking out opportunities within the space sector and look to develop the company within the sector. So of all the expertise Radio Design has, the heart of it is the people, and we are a close-knit team of engineers and professionals, and we have teams of people delivering all functions, and I think that is the thing that actually that's at the heart of what Radio Design is, and that provides all the drive for us to provide the solutions that we provide to the space sector.
As the sector is constantly evolving, there's lots of opportunities to do innovation and learn new things.
In the space sector, things are always changing. New discoveries, new techniques, new environments, and I really like learning about new things in the space sector, especially being a specialist in RF and microwave design. These challenges become more challenging, so you have smaller designs, more challenging environments through payload sizes, weights and technology. While Yorkshire may not spring to mind as the heart of innovation for space, we see that RF and microwave companies that are currently in Yorkshire are very strong, and with Radio Design's ability to design market-leading signal conditioning products, we foresee that the combination of industry partners, entities like Space Hub Yorkshire and then the Leeds University Nexus building will provide a very big contribution to space innovation in the future. My predictions are that with the increase in smaller satellite constellations, there will be a demand for smaller, lighter and more power efficient RF subsystems. That is where companies like ourselves, like at Radio Design, we can provide those solutions because we have innovations in size, weight and power reductions that will improve the future of satellites. So the region has significant capabilities in RF and microwave subsystem design, and I believe that with the combination of local universities such as Leeds, York, Sheffield and Huddersfield, with the innovation coming from those universities, that will generate a steady supply of jobs and opportunities within the region. Also with the RF and microwave subsystem design companies, which I believe there are over 50 companies in the area alone. I believe that we also have a large supply chain as well in the region, and that also demands a workforce. So there is plenty of opportunities for people to come to Yorkshire and thrive in the space sector.
Don't worry about getting things wrong. You need to be constantly learning and interested in finding new things.
My top piece of advice for anyone starting in the space sector is to maintain a relentless curiosity for new innovation that's happening right now in the space sector if you're watching the news, and basically keeping abreast of what the innovations are. I think that is a must, and a desire to really understand what's going on.
The best thing about living in Yorkshire is the variety of things to do. You can go shopping in Leeds or hiking in the Dales.
My favourite thing about working and living in Yorkshire is obviously the people. Apart from the people, I would say the diverse cities. I live near Leeds, so my family are all near Leeds. It's a fantastic city to live in, and having the fantastic landscape and countryside on your doorstep. I'm a keen runner. I enjoy cycling, and it's fantastic in Yorkshire for that. So it provides a very good work-life balance. We are happy to be a part of Space Hub Yorkshire, and Radio Design uses Space Hub Yorkshire and the companies around it to collaborate and innovate, because we firmly believe that collaboration within the region is the key to success. And I think that through collaboration comes, we can offer a bigger offering to bigger companies and drive in more opportunities to the region. Coffee.
Tea.
Dogs.
Sunset.
Probably extrovert, yeah.
Probably action movies.